as when you only get a little rain, the culverts can keep up. But once we get a lot of rain, really, Dad? But once you get a lot of rain, the culverts can't keep up with it all, causing it to overflow and flood. You take off the spigot if you have to. Here's our example of our little street. Keep her coming. The culverts can't keep up with it all right now. Come on, buddy. Down. Can I block it with a rock or something? As the rains get heavier, the culverts can't keep up with it all. It's just all going out. The rains can't keep up with it all, causing it to go over the edges and to overflow, causing a flood. Here's our example of our heavy rain. The water will back up, and at some point, it will overflow into there. Well, we've seen the example of what it looks like. Well, you've seen Exhibit A, what it looks like whenever it goes through here, and it can keep up. Now, you've seen Exhibit B, whenever it carries stuff, and somehow clogs up, and can't keep up. And now it's started to go. And started to overflow and go into there. Okay. It started to overflow a little bit into there. We've managed to dam it up over here. And it has now started to overflow over the dam that we made. And the more water that we get in, the farther this will get bigger, okay? and this will overflow over the culvert, which is under the dam. It'll take a minute.
Just turn down a whole lot.
It started to overflow over the sides. That wasn't part of it, was it? Is this for the real world? You're lucky enough to live up here.
In conclusion,
it started to overflow more over here to the point where it will make a new river, because the water is going through and dragging all the other stuff from all the water over here, which will then be transformed into a new stream. And our flood over here has started to increase a little more. Now we have our flash flood.